Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Life as Wanderlust. Today, me and my friend and my colleague both are traveling to Valparai. My second time to Valparai. Yes, if you go to my previous videos, you can see Valparai. But this time I'm not riding. I'm in a car with him. It's an Suzuki Ignis. It belongs to my colleague, friend Pradeep. So we are on the way to the top. There are 40 hairpin bins which we have to drive up. So he's driving and I'm shooting each and everything, and I'm not going to miss anything around me this time. Let's go. And anybody watching my channel videos for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we are in Valparai right now. Last night we couldn't shoot anything because it was pouring heavily here, so we had to reach the hotel. We are staying in a hotel called Hotel Holiday Break-In. So we just started after having breakfast. So this is our first stop. This view was beautiful, so we thought we'll stop here to take a look at this place. Yeah, it's completely greenery around us. Still more to go. It's a beautiful weather to go around. Like they say, sunshine is delicious, rain is refreshing, wind braces us up. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. Wherever you go, no matter what, the weather always brings your own sunshine. It's always easier to go down a hill than up, but the view is much better always at the top. You can see that it's completely tea plantation around us, completely greenery. And this is Pradeep, my colleague, my friend. So this is his brand new Ignis Suzuki, just a month old and already on the hill station. So we need to drive carefully if we have to take back the car safely. So yeah. You'll find a lot of water flows in Valparai like this. Pradeep really wants to taste the water, so he's going to take a sip. Yes. And he's telling it's too good. And it's so refreshing, it seems. And he really wants to taste it once again, so he's getting back to taste it once more. According to a small information, they say there are 56 tea estates here. The foothills starts exactly from Monkey Falls, from where we started. I couldn't show you because of the rain. The distance between Monkey Falls and Valparai is exactly 38 kilometers. And as I said you, there is 40 hairpin winds to reach the top of Valparai. And if you reach here, and this is a narrow lane you'll get, there's no big roads here. extremely narrow lanes, and a kind of here and there completely off roads. You can see the road here. We are actually driving up to Balaji temple. I can't shoot there because video is restricted, so we are going to park here and walk. Now we are getting back down from Balaji temple. You can see the road. Few roads are here really bad, so Pradeep is taking his own time to drive down slowly. And yes, we got to the main road. He has to take a turn. So again we took a stop here, a break, because the view here was too good, too beautiful, and Pradeep really wanted to take a walk into the tea plantation, so he's taking a walk there. And you can see the water flow again here. It carries on all over Valparai. This water comes from Sholiyur Dam, which is located around 23 kilometers from here. And there is water flow everywhere in Valparai, especially if you come during the rainy seasons here. You can't see much wild animals this time because of the rain. So couldn't see, till now I couldn't see any elephants, bison, but the view here is extremely beautiful. It's filled with green. Show hi. Show your wife that you will be in YouTube.
From there you took a YouTuber?
Yes.
Huh?
So we are back in the car again and driving up to Vellamalai Tunnel. It's just I think so 10 kilometers from Balaji temple. We are on the way. I don't know how many of you remember these guys. Last time they were in my video telling about this place, like about the rainfall here and people die here. So they're selling Goas this time. So let's get inside. The gate is locked, so we have to jump. I just got an information why the gates have been locked here. It's because day before yesterday, a person has jumped into Sholiyur Dam and he's been dead in the spot. So the police have taken precautions to make sure there's nothing else going to happen like that. But still, people are jumping, and even I took a jump. So yes, but I'm going to be safe here, standing, not doing any nonsense. But you can see that people are taking a bath, and this is the Vellamalai Tunnel. If you come at peak rainy season, yes, this tunnel overflows with water. I have seen it myself, and take a look at this. Hey, he bought a guava for me. He's saying it's super taste, but I don't want to because I already have throat-ache, so I'm not going to eat it. So I'm going to take a walk across this bridge and go to the other side of the tunnel. it's not crowded. Only few people here, and yeah, the water flow is still going and it connects there, and this is the view. So we are going to get back now to the car and drive, because I heard the police can be anytime here. They keep a watch on every places now and then. So yeah, we're going to get back. So Pradeep is going to take a jump first. Yes. Jump. And now me. We are going to have a tea here, and I'm going to have a lemon tea. They don't mix milk, so yeah, I'm going to take one. The tea really tastes too good here. It's not because of the tea, it's because of the water here. And here is a small lake again. It's not a very far place from Velammalai Tunnel, just walk down the lane. Last time I had got down and shown you all the clarity of this water too. So again we are going to get down. So walking down, shooting video of this lake and the background of this lake, and he wants to take a zoom, and we are walking back. You can see this purple flower, it's so cute here. So that's it, the first part of Valparai. I'll see you all in the second part of Valparai. Please take care. Goodbye.